Sa panahong maraming kabataan ang naghahanap ng inspirasyon, isang libro at isang manunulat ang nagbigay nito sa pamamagitan ng pagpapakita hindi lang ng talino, kundi pagpapahalaga sa kalusugan, kultura at buhay. Sa ginanap na book launching at signing ng medical anthropologist na si Dr. Gideon Lasco sa isang universidad sa Naga, tagsa ang mga kabataan, estudyante at mga taga-subaybay ng kanyang mga akda. Dinaluhan din ang book signing ni Dr. Gideon Lasco ng mga kapwa niya manunulat at book enthusiasts.
For me, I really enjoyed listening to Gideon's personal experiences, his adventures in the different hikes that we've had all around the world, but also the way that he highlighted how he really loves the Philippines and encouraged his audience, his very young audience here at Ateneo de Naga, to really appreciate nature and make nature a priority, a part of their life.
Kagaya ni Liam, na-inspired din si Shelo sa pagbisita ni Dr. Lasco. Ayon sa kanya, ang launching na ginanap ay naging fuel sa kanya para mas mahalin rin ang pagsusulat.
I genuinely felt, amazed. I adored the fact that I actually had the chance to be able to be here, to be present, to actually be able to take the opportunity to be at a book launching, especially in Ateneo.
Ang libro ni Dr. Gideon Lasco na pinamagatang Second Opinion ay inilathala ng Ateneo de Naga Press. Ito ay koleksyon ng mga sanaysay ukol sa buhay, kalusugan at kultura na sumasailalim sa mas malawak na pananaw ukol sa kalusugan.
Well, for the people who are reading it na nasa medical profession, I really want them to rethink their view of medicine. Actually, it's not just about hospitals and nurses, doctors, but also it's all encompassing. And I want our readers to have an appreciation of, first of all, of health as being expansive, but also about our country na we have a very beautiful country, we have a very, very complex country, and a big part of our national story is about ourselves, about our bodies, and what we do to our bodies. So I'm really hoping to serve as a bridge between healthcare and society through the book.
Kinilala rin ng pamunuan ng Ateneo de Naga ang kahalagahan ng pagbisita ni Dr. Lasco sa kanilang pamantasan. Isang karangalan umano sa paaralan ang makasama ang isang manunulat na hindi lamang matalino kundi may puso at diwa para sa tao at sa lipunan.
We're very happy and very proud that Dr. Gideon Lasco has published with the Ateneo University Press, Ateneo de Naga University Press, especially on this book that approaches the problems of society from a medical anthropological perspective. Kasi ito ay isang field na cannot remain on the level of science, but it has to do with popularizing scientific knowledge so that it can inform our own policy making and the way we organize our life, our preparedness for disasters, our approach to healthcare.
Samantala maliban sa Ateneo de Naga, nagkaroon din ng book launch at signing si Dr. Lasco sa Camorin Art Gallery sa Five Peninsula kung saan lalo pang napalalim ang kanyang koneksyon sa mga Bicolano readers.
To call on people to move beyond medicine alone. Parang pag sinabi natin kalusugan, we think of hospitals, we think of doctors, but it's broader than that. Diba? When we think of health, we can also include our culture. Kasi meron tayong mga traditional healing practices. Meron din tayong nature, ang kalikasan as part of how we experience life and how we experience our own bodies. So yung libro natin is a collection of different essays that address the complexities of health and broadens our view of health beyond medicine.
Regine Boy, CSN.